5 skills which has very high demand in the market. As we all know that 2020 is going to be the worst year ever in the history for multiple reasons, especially due to this coronavirus. Due to this coronavirus, lot of people are in troubles in terms of business, jobs and in terms of money. People have started searching for some alternative ways to work from home and earn from home. But the fact here is work from home job requires technical skills. After a lot of research, eventually I figure out 5 skills which has very high demand in the market in the present and in the future. If you are really good at certain skills, which I am going to tell you in this video, will help you to generate high income. The first skill is content writing. Basically, content writing is writing for internet. Nowadays we see that more and more people are consuming information from the internet more than before. Content writers' demand are increasing very much in the present and in the future. If there is something which is a king of internet, that is content. Basically, content is the information which we see on internet. For example, blogs, articles, videos, whatever you see on internet is said to be content. In this COVID-19 period, companies and businesses are looking for content writers who can write the great content for their business so that they can get more engagement from their clients and customers. If you are really good at writing great content, then it's a good opportunity for you to work as a content writer. Initially, you can start your own blog or you can provide a service for others who are looking for content writers. If you are not good, then you can learn these skills which can provide you good opportunities in the present and in the future. But the question here is how to get a job as a content writer. Initially, start showcasing your skills on freelancing websites. For example, iWriter.com, Upwork.com, peopleperhour.com. These are the freelancing websites where a lot of people look for content writers. Let's move to the second skill, that is website development. The demand for website development is going to increase extremely high in these times. As we are seeing nowadays that the businesses and companies who already have online presence about their business are doing really well as compared to those who doesn't have online presence. So in this COVID-19 period, most of the people and businesses are looking for website developers who can develop a professional website for their business. Website development requires coding skills which can be learned from online courses. People are earning a huge money from this. It's the best opportunity for those who are looking for jobs in website development. Let's move to the third skill, that is digital marketing. One of the most popular and high demand skill in these times. According to Forbes, the demand for digital marketing is going to increase by 200% up to 2025. For example, just a decade ago, businesses are used to do traditional marketing like promoting their products on TV, radio, newspapers and magazines, where the customers are used to spend their time. But in the present time, people started to spend more time on Google, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube as the technology rises. So businesses and companies started targeting the customers through these platforms. For getting the attention of customers and selling their product to target audience, companies and businesses need experts in this field who can generate more sales and revenue for their business and company by doing digital marketing. The best way to learn digital marketing is by experiencing it, by working on your business or brands. And also nowadays, businesses are looking for digital marketers, especially in this pandemic period, to sell their products online. Nowadays, there are many online institutes providing online courses. If you are interested in social media, then it would be a best career option for you. Let's move to the fourth skill, that is graphic designing. Nowadays, every business and people are trying to create their brand's identity online, including me. In order to get attention from customers, businesses and companies use graphics like logo, brochures and icons to demonstrate their business model brands. So they need an expert in these skills who can create a social media animation post and many other things to post on social media, so that businesses and companies have a connection with their potential customers. There are plenty of free platforms available online from which you can create logos, social media posts and many other things. Here the question is how to get a job in this field. The best way to get a job in this field is to demonstrate your graphic designing skills and provide a free service in your initial days in the social media platforms and freelancing websites, so that you will get good reviews and then people will look to hire you for their brands and business. Finally, the fifth skill is video editing. As we know that we spend most of our time on watching movies and videos online in the platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and many other platforms. Video industry is growing by 200% in 2020, so the demand for video editor is going to increase by 60% every year. If you are really passionate about editing videos, then it will be the best opportunity for you to earn money from home by providing the service. But editing is a creative process, it can be learned from experience. First of all, learn video editing through online courses. After, start making videos in YouTube for yourself or provide a service to others by charging certain amount. In order to get a client first, you need to build a network with others through social media. These are the 5 high demand skills in 2020. I hope you like it. Finally, I would like to tell you one thing: try to implement what you learn. If you want more video, then subscribe my channel. We'll see you soon.